For the past 18 months, the town has issued over 17 summonses to a homeowner here who is storing a plane in their driveway. We've been working with the homeowner, trying to get that homeowner to remove the plane. It is in violation of the town code, and it has become a continuing cause for concern for local neighbors, and it is a matter of public safety. The town received reports in the last very heavy windstorm that we had here a couple of weeks ago that this plane actually was caught by a gust of wind that was strong enough to drive it 3 feet into the air, off the ground, right into the air. And obviously, if the gust had been a little stronger, had hit it in a certain way, that plane could have been driven into the street. It could have been driven into a neighbor's home. It could have been driven into the home of the homeowner, creating a very serious public safety concern. So again, we've tried to work with the homeowner to get the homeowner to store the plane in a more conventional way, not on a quiet residential street here in Oceanside, and to discontinue an activity that clearly poses a great danger to public safety.
This is very simple. You know, our job is to protect the quality of life of our residents and to make sure that they're kept safe, and that's what we're doing here today. You know, he's had forewarning, and we've heard from many of the neighbors in this area, and their outcry led to this, and this is what we need to do. We need to keep them safe, we need to protect our quality of life, and we need to make sure, especially with the nice weather coming, that nobody gets hurt on this street.
The town actually had our engineering department take a look at this, and they issued a report that also buttressed the concerns that are in the building code, that this is a serious threat to public safety, because again, if the plane had been caught in a certain way with a strong enough gust of wind, it could have been driven anywhere into oncoming traffic, onto a pedestrian. It's just something after 18 months of effort to get the homeowner to comply, it's something we could not let stand. So we will be under the authority given to the town of Hempstead, under our building code, in the interest of public safety. We will be taking this plane out of here today.